Politician shot dead in St. Catherine. Brothers murdered in Lilliput, St. James. 2 men arrested for alleged car theft. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The People's National Party, PNP, says it is saddened and shocked by the devastating news of the murder of Ainsley Parkins, councillor for Southborough Division in East Central St. Catherine. Parkins was shot dead in the Portmore municipality on Thursday morning. The opposition party stated that it is closely monitoring the situation and eagerly awaiting further details from law enforcement regarding the circumstances surrounding his death. The community of Long Bay in Lilliput, St. James, is tense after 2 brothers were shot and killed and their house set ablaze on Wednesday night. The deceased are 16-year-old Neo Samuels and 22-year-old Gregory Forbes. It is reported that about 11 o'clock, residents heard explosions and then saw fire coming from the house. The fire department and police were summoned. The house was destroyed. The bodies of the brothers were found in the rumble. 5 people have been left homeless. The St. James Division has recorded 111 murders since the start of the year. The St. James police have arrested 2 men who were allegedly caught with a stolen motor car on Belgrade Avenue in Greenwood, St. James on Tuesday. They stated that about 12:50 p.m., a man discovered that his motor car was stolen from his home and alerted the police. Assisted by a tracking device that was affixed to the motor car, the police team was led to an area in Greenwood in the parish where the stolen car was seen. On the arrival of the police, 3 men were seen with several car parts and car accessories belonging to another vehicle which was at the same location. On seeing the police, one of the men ran while the 2 others were arrested and taken into custody. Their identities are being withheld pending further investigations.